It's a secret life of Kyla and Charisma. And here is my brother, Malachi. Hi. And today we are going to do what's in our backpacks. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment down below what was your favorite school supplies and part of this video. So let's get to it. So in my first pocket I have my pencil pouch. I got my sharpener. I have these blue pens. I got these gold earbuds. Highlighters. And rainbow pencils. And colored pencils. And I got glue all, Elmer's, and some glue stick that's purple. Okay. Now let's get to the next zipper. I got my binder, and it's a binder that fits. So I got my pen, my eraser, and this zipper, these dividers. I got this paper, and then in the back is this pocket. And I got washable crayons, 24, and in sharpener that's in eraser on top. They come both. I got this purple and gold binder for math. It's labeled math. Then inside are some dividers and this gold pocket holder. Labeled my name in the back. And I got my school box with my football scissors, my erasers, and pencil eraser tops. And I got gold erasers that's USA Gold Premium American Wood pencils. I got this reading binder labeled reading on the side. Then I just got dividers in here. I got crazy art color pencils, and I got 12 in here. And I also got paper, and look what's in the back. This is what it looks in the back. I got this regular white binder for bands. Has my name and then band on the side, and then I have protection sheets inside. I got instant hand sanitizer from Family Dollar. And I got some composition book. I got a white one, a green one, an orange one, a blue one, and a red one. I got some paper sheets, and then in the back is what the papers look like. I got this this blue composition book labeled Reading. I got this green composition book, SS for Social Studies. This red composition book for PE. And best for last is this elephant composition book labeled Science. And I really like it, and when you like move it, you can see rainbow and stuff. Yeah, I got soap, Fresh Breeze, and this soap we have in the bathroom. And I got this big basic copy paper that's really heavy. Oh, so big. And I got my black folders. Okay. At the end of this video, if y'all want to see us wearing our backpacks, then stay tuned for this video.